Good afternoon. I'm here with George Weihrauch from Baldor Motors. He's a product manager, and I'm here to talk today about the Energy Independence and Security Act of 2007 that's being put in place on December 19th. And I'm going to ask George, why was this law being put in place, and how is this going to affect the motor industry?
Well, this law was enacted to actually raise the efficiency level of motors that are used in industry higher to a higher level than what's presently out there right now. And it's the hope that motors use up such a large percentage of energy out there that reducing that draw on the power system as a whole is a very good thing.
And how is your staff helping educate the engineers on the plant floor that this is a very important law, and what can you do to help support the changes that they're going to have to put in place?
Well, that's a good question. This law affects motor manufacturers. It does not affect users. What it does is it sets the requirements for the products we're allowed to build and sell. So we've actually had to do an awful lot of education for our customers and the users, because they're going to come to us and say, we need this product we've always bought, and we'll have to explain to them that the government doesn't allow us to sell that. They have to buy a higher efficient product. And we have to, we've worked very hard on putting educational tools together to show them that cross-reference of what they were buying to what we now can supply as required by law.
Well, thanks, George. That leads me to my next and last question of today here at IMTS Show. Since this law is being put in place and it really affects the manufacturer, but it's going to complement the end user because it will reduce their energy consumption in the plant floor. So tell me, how has Baldor led the way on going out to the marketplace and reducing energy costs for the plant manager today?
Well, Baldor has always been in the forefront of energy efficiency. We were the first manufacturer out there with a complete line of energy efficient motors in the marketplace starting back in the early 90s. And we're on the forefront of this new law, offering a complete product line that meets the new law for energy efficiency. But we take that a step further. All of the products that we manufacture, it's not just the motor itself, but the gearboxes we make, the variable frequency controllers. We can help our customers with a system approach achieve a total energy savings and cost savings that is above what they're expecting just with the motor itself. So we really try to provide a complete package to our customers.
Well, George, I want to thank you for your time today. Your education was very valuable, explaining to the end user, the engineer, on how this new act is going to be put in place December 19th, and how Baldor has led the way on producing energy-efficient motors. Thanks, George.
Thank you.